Word up. So in order for this to work, you have to have a couple of add-ons. I have the Adventure Port Hub, which is the kind of the gateway between our worlds and the main game. And you also need the Port Connect add-on to whatever. So, well, at least it was working without it. Maybe you don't need. Well, you should have to have it. Okay. Anyways, confirm that. Let's see if continue works. It should work. Because I'm just loading up into the main Fort Joy thing without anything. Quite triggered yet, so this should be healthy. This is healthy. So if you go to a black screen and see your character, then there's something going on. You could still double click on your character and it'll teleport, but the camera gets lost. So this is a good sign. Another test would be to start fresh from character creation, but I don't really care. So I have my boatsman take you to the port, and I have a clean, just one guy that gets teleported over here. I put my guy in here, so this is healthy. This is exactly what my add-on to the port add-on adds, is my specific character that takes you to the Pyramid of Shadows mod, while this guy takes you back to Fort Joy. Oh, whoops, I forgot to remove 2 mystics. Whoopsie daisy. anyways, you should, so if you use this, nothing should happen, which is good. You talk to her, ask for a clone, and a clone appears. This is good. This is how it's supposed to be. You use the character repository and you swap bodies. Everything is the same. Literally everything should stay the same. Now, if you are in Fort Joy and you level up, say you level up to 2, and then you come back here and swap, your clone will also be level 2. If you level up with the clone, let's say to level 4, and you swap back, your original character will stay at level 2. It doesn't level up to your clone's level, and this is for game, I guess, for the game integrity, kind of like I don't want cheesing, so you can go to my mod and level up all the way to 8, and I don't want you to go back to Fort Joy as a level 8 character and just completely waste your time. I mean, I guess it's for gameplay, you know. This is a really hard workaround, but it got it going, so that was really fun. So you return through this guy right here to Fort Joy. This is part of the hub, original hub, but if you want to go to, so this is the clone right now, and you'll know by what she says. Body swapped back means that you have your original guy, right? Body swapped, you have your clone. And I couldn't really get the appearance to look exactly the same, so I'm actually kind of pleased with that. So you go to this guy, you go, and he goes to Two Lovers Village. Oh, and your mods? I put a little taxi man right at the beginning that will take you right back to the port. You live in a hub world, and so you could just, yeah, sure, let's go, and he'll take you right back to the hub. So I put a little guy, and that guy is a I put him there. Ooh, you know what? No, I added him via the add-on in the port hub, but I should probably add him via the add-on from, on the pyramid side. I guess I should kind of draw this out a little bit. I could draw it out a little bit. Let me get my paint going on here. MS Paint. So we have the original game. I'll call it Divinity Original Sin 2. And the add-on, the port hub. This has the cloner and the return to DOS guy. That's all this should have and will have. I should remove my other guy. And then so they talk to the other add-on, the POS add-on, or the levels add-on, or the Mystics add-on. And these are add-ons. And the POS add-on is then connected to the Pyramid of Shadows adventure. The adventure. Same with levels and mystics. So that's how it's going to work. So everything that you want, like a return back to the port hub, should be put in here, into this side of things on your add-on, on your individual add-ons that lead you back to the port hub. Yeah, I forgot to do that on my side. Whoops. It'll still work for me. It doesn't really even matter for you guys because he won't show up anyways. But yeah, put your dudes to return to the port hub here, because these add-ons use this as a dependency and this as a dependency, whereas the port hub only uses the DOS as a dependency. And that's it, right? And this is technically an adventure as well. There's my little cool chart. Right, so where am I here? Okay, so I ended up back in the place. So your clone, the source caller is automatically unlocked. Once you make the clone, the source caller just unlocks. So you can just remove it from your inventory if you want. I don't think that's the case. Yeah, it cannot be unequipped. So that's not the case with your original guy, which I'm really happy about that, because everything stays the same. And I'm really thrilled about that. So, and kind of the same thing here. Everything stays the same. So you can, I don't know if Reavers is gonna... All right, so I'll show you that. So everything works here, just like that. Boom, I'm gonna quit. So let's start first with, I'm gonna open the project. I'm gonna go to the port hub and just show you the script, what's going on with it. It's very basic. I actually whittled down a lot of stuff because some of the stuff needs to be on the other add-on. The only thing that's needed in this one. So I don't, what the hell? Oh yeah, I have to reopen this. There we go. Okay, the only thing that's needed is the port scripting. You shouldn't have any of your dependencies on here. So the scripting is here. These are all the clones. This is the clone machine. I couldn't figure out how to do that whole thing with the flags and stuff, so I just said screw it. This part right here I accidentally deleted and moved to the other add-on, which shouldn't be. This should be the proc check remove other origins should stay here. This is the add-on that cleans up that this is the little thing that cleans up your so what was happening before was when you were getting into the port, another Origins character magically appeared out of nowhere. This will clean it up, so that's good right there. If you can't see, I'll zoom in here. I don't know if you can't see. And then the rest is just the cloner stuff. It's item used and yada yada yada. The cloner device and all that stuff. And that's it. This is very basic. So, boom. Okay. And then I'm going to open the other project up, which is the connection point. This is the other add-on. This is this part right here. The travel part, where I call it a travel part, but really you don't see, there's no levels that you need to make. You just, all you do is just open the inherited level of the port, which I'll show you the settings that it should look like, and I'm sure you already have it matching. Project setting dependencies, you should have, I have the Pyramid of Shadows and the Adventure Port Hub as the main add-ons, right? I think, yeah, I have Origins, I guess, and all the other stuff, but these two are the main dependencies that so they could talk to each other. Yeah, I don't know. That's a groovy situation you got there. So, Reavers, in your guys' case, you have on top of your, like, Pyramid of Shadows doesn't have any other dependencies except for custom music. I didn't find it in the list. As soon as I added Pyramid of Shadows, it added custom music right to it. Hey, Ron. So I think that it should be the same thing for you. As soon as you add that dependency, it should add all the other dependencies that mod is using. I don't know if I can't verify that because obviously I don't have your mod, but yeah, this is how I did the character creation crap that I was getting. So I just copied it over to my mod, and how you do that is just right click, copy to my mod, and all I did was comment it all out, and that's it. And then I built the script for that. So, and only comment it out on your add-on, the port add-on, and that's it. So all this other stuff is run by your mod, or this mod as well. All this is part of it. If you delete it, it won't run. But I could literally add all of these to this mod, to my mod here, to the add-on, and just comment it all out, and the actual story mod will run all this anyways. So, but it knows, it's running it because it's a part of this mod. Okay, it's a dependency, but if you comment out this part of the dependency in this mod, in this add-on, it won't run it. So that's how you can avoid the whole thing. So this is we're still working in this level right here. We don't need to do anything on the adventure side except a couple little fixes that you might want. No, you wouldn't want to do it for everything. I have it for character creation. That's the only way. You could still create characters just the regular way, because the character creation is controlled by this part of your mod. But if you stop it at this part, then it'll default to regular DOS character creation. It will run the script. It should run the script. I haven't tested that part out, like as in, let's run it. Let's run the actual adventure, see how it goes. I really don't like what's going on here. So every time I launch DOS2, it goes into the fake full screen, not fake full screen, but oh, I guess this time it stuck around. No, you don't need to, yeah. So let's go to story. Let's load up Pyramid of Shadows, single player, fine, it's fine like this. Let's see what happens. It loads fine, okay. Let's go to character creation, okay. So this is how you find out whether or not, uh-oh, yikes. Ah, crap. You're right. Yep, you're right. Well, how do we delineate that then? How do we tell it, hey, if this is, you know, EE2 is going to change them? Yeah. Okay, so I started my adventure. So as a test, you know how you should be able to just go to story and select your own adventure and start? Well, it starts you in the hold instead. And that's because, yeah, you're right. I commented out the character creation on this from the add-on. I guess the way to completely, get rid of that is just to tick off the port connection, and let's see if that works. Yeah, the add-on was enabled. Yeah. So I'll have to put it in description that only use that. There it goes. This is the way it should be. So only use that add-on if you plan on.
Are you on camera?
Yeah, not on camera, but I'm on mic. Oh, you can. Yeah, it's all right. It's funny. Thanks, baby. Right. So, what was I saying? Yeah, just in adventure mode, tick off that little part. Oh, I wonder what happens if I go back to here. Yeah, let's go. Oh, that's weird. I can still go to the port. Oh, but I can't go back to... It's a one-way ticket. Can't go back. Yeah, and as it should be. As it should be, right? Can't go back. But maybe... And this is probably the reason... This is probably a good idea to put that boat guy... the boat guy in the actual add-on in this part of... In this level of... in this stage. But put my guy that returns me back to the port hub in this stage, so when I have this add-on off, the guy won't be there to take you back. You know what I mean? Nah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I mean, really, what it really does is it opens up, I guess, the game a little bit more. If you really think about it, like, people don't even have to just start on your own adventure. But now look at this. So, okay, so they started my add-on. Cool. Let's go back to Fort Joy, see what happens. Thanks, Ron. There is a considerable amount of changes, and I'm actually working on a small update for the whole thing, and it actually might be ready to update. I just wanted to give people a heads up because every time I update, people will have to start a new game. Well, here you go. You're kind of you kind of just start out right there. You can go back to the port. Is that a box over here? Oh no. I'm just gonna keep it the way. Well, maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. I kind of want people to go back to the original game if they want to. You know what I mean? But also, I don't know. I don't know. What I can't do is make this add-on. I mean, I can make the add-on part of the POS. Um, Let me show you. For some reason, so I can do the Pyramid of Shadows. And I could go into the port and I can add people here and save it. But oh, it's even a dependency, and it actually shouldn't be. This should be the no. Yeah, it's a dependency. I don't think it should be though. Should it? I don't think it should be. So you can't add this one because it will. It's a looping dependency. So this one is. It has the Adventure Port Hub and POS as the dependencies, but this one shouldn't really need it. I don't think. Maybe that's the issue. I'm gonna try this out. Yeah. Okay. Can't load into it, so that's fine. Um, well, I wonder if it'll work still. Should, right? Did it not even load? There it goes. Mods. Yeah, let's see. Pyramid of Shadows, single player. So what this might change is when you talk to the dude, he might be like, he does nothing. He doesn't actually teleport you anywhere, or it might really, really break it. Who knows? Which at that point I should actually change. Okay, so he shouldn't. Oh, he does take you still. He still takes you to the port because you have the add-on activated. It's just not part of the. It's not part of a dependency, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, that's all good, I think. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I have this guy that returns you back to POS as a dependency, or in the not this guy. I meant the other guy. So if we open our file here. Yeah, POS should not have. Yeah. Okay. What I meant was, where's the port? Yeah, so he's not here now. That means he's part of. He's part of this, I believe, mod. Huh. Okay. So that's kind of weird. Why is the Swabby up here? So because this is no longer a dependency, you don't see anything else. Okay. So yeah, he's just added off into space where he's supposed to be. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So Ron, what I'm doing is actually connecting my mod to. I'm actually trying to connect everybody's mod to. Delete the Swabby. He's not supposed to be here. I'm connecting everybody's mod. I made a port that you can go to right from Divinity Original Sin 2. As soon as you land on Fort Joy, you can go elsewhere. And you go to a port, and this port can be used by everybody that's ever made an adventure. All they have to do is create an add-on for the port, which is an add-on, that connects their mod, their adventure mod, to the port. Essentially, it's just a quick little add-on, and that way, when you start the main game, you can actually go to other people's adventures without going through character creation. At least that was my goal. For me, it works because I used basic character creation and I didn't mess around with a lot of stuff. I didn't have a lot of I don't have any other add-ons besides the music one. But we'll see how it works with everybody else. They may have a lot more work cut out for them. So what you should be able to do in my mod is travel back and forth from my mod to the adventure, from the adventure to my mod or anybody else's, that kind of thing. So what I want to do is kind of copy these guys. I do want to get rid of them since they're useless. Well, it was kind of a. I was thinking about, man, how can I do this? How can I even do it? And this is the way. This is the way to do it. And a lot of other people have actually, I've seen in comments like, hey, is there a way to not go through character creation again? Can we play with our original guys? And yeah, this is the way to do it. Oh, whoops, I loaded the wrong thing. Not yet. Well, yes, I think I did, but I'm gonna update it in just a minute because I'm gonna add this guy again, this other dude that returns you back to the crap. Just gotta remember where that dialogue is. Okay, this appeals to travel, but this is the adventure, story, dialogues. Pyramid. What's this guy? Nope, that's the other guy. Okay. To Fort Joy. Oh, that's not the guy. Well, where's the... This is the guy that takes you to Fort Joy. Maybe he's in Pyramid of Shadows dialogue. I don't think he would be, though. Where the hell did I put the guys? Or the guy that said anything? I don't even know what he said. Oh yeah, there might be some script conflicts. Yeah, you're right. Oh, perfect. Port hub. That's funny to me. Oh man. I like how retro you're like, I thought that said something else. Damn, I wish I remembered what the default dialogue was for this guy. Oh, I guess because this is already in there, I don't really need to worry about that, but okay. Venture for joy. Okay. What's what and starting village. Okay. That's already a part of it. I just need it in dialogue. Yeah, I'm just going to make it real simple here. Yep. Not yet. It's going to be a end node. Hop on board. Everybody yells around here. And this is story editor. Oh, this is a global set flag. Okay. Okay. Global to the port. All right, so this will set the flag. We're going to answer to this as an end node. I'll be waiting here. Okay, and let's save that. That's going to be his default dialogue as well as an assigned seat. Okay, and then they have a really cool ship Or is it boat? I don't remember. I think it's just like a small boat with sails. Fishing boat? Yeah, I think I wanted this one in particular. Yeah. This will be scenery, so it's not like something that can be used. Okay. I don't need to do anything with the script again. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, man. Let me check the project settings. Okay, dependency for this one is Pyramid of Shadows and Adventure Port Hub. Good. And then let me go back to the port, make sure that the guy is still there, everything's still there. Yep. Okay, that's my dude right there to take you to the place. Okay. Cool. Publish that project. Update. Okay. So this is the add-on for Pyramid of Shadows to take you back here. Open the project, the actual Adventure Port Hub that everybody has access to. We got this guy, and we have this guy. So nothing in the village. Should be nothing in the village there for any of this. Okay. The actual port hub only contains her and him. Perfect. Let me make sure the script is all good. Yeah. So nothing added. Cool. Perfect. I'm going to publish this project. I don't think there's actually anything that needed to be updated, but I'll just do it anyways. Okay. And let's see. I don't think I need... I think I already... Well, I don't know, actually. Open project. Pyramid of Shadows. Now, I'm really curious whether or not... Well, I don't know. I don't know what would happen if somebody went to, let's say, main game and then came back after my update. What would happen? I adjusted a lot of things here, but actually I don't remember if I am done with it all. I think I'm still working on the random encounters inside the pyramid. I might have solved it, but I'm not really sure. I think I did. I think I did solve it. But again, I don't know. Probably should level him up to like 18 so he survives the hit. Alright, and kill him. That was crazy. Okay. I don't remember. Feels eyes watching us. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I really don't know if I solved this or not.
Mind if you could leave the door open?
Oh, sure. Why? What's going on?
I just wanted that door open.
Okay. So this is a signal that you've entered the random encounter thing.
Good, I guess.
But I think I may have left off like mid-programming for this thing. I don't know.
Eh?
I'm talking to people.
Oh.
Okay, here it is. All right, so it works. Just takes a while. I know that it's like a 50, oh, not a 50-50. It's actually a, I think it's 60% chance. So retro, yeah, for multiplayer, if one player clones, they all clone. So if you have people on your at least you know what? I actually don't know. I actually have no idea. Oh, they're level 18. Yeah, I do level them up to an appropriate level for the random encounters. That's right. That's right. I remember what I did here. You have a 60, it's a 60-40. So you generate a number between 0 and 100, and if it's below 40, or maybe above 60, I don't remember which one of those. But if the random number falls above 60, then you get a battle. If it's below 60, then the counter starts again, and you try again, essentially. So those are the chances. Them's are the chances. I believe that if you run away, these guys either disappear or they stay. I don't remember. They might stay, but some stuff happens. I think that I fixed it though. Yeah, and there's a lot of these guys in this encounter, so that's good. That's a good question, Retro. I'm going to do some double checks later on the POS and then update that later. And I actually should probably update it sooner than later. I could probably actually update it now. To be honest, I could probably update it now. So just to make sure, just like let's just verify. Oops, mods. So I'm gonna activate the connect, confirm. I'm just gonna do a new original sin story, just a regular new character, and play from the very beginning, just to make sure that this isn't part of like the save game that it's not working out. And then I think there's like another character that you can you could start with, or not start with, but like recruit right from the get-go. Not in this ship, but well, once you're on the island. Oh my gosh, just thank you. I think you could recruit the beast right from here, but I'm not sure. He's like around somewhere, isn't he? Or maybe I'm thinking of somewhere else. Ugh, stupid squirrel. How I load the squirrel. I thought he was around here. Yeah, Iphon is close. But I thought I could have sworn he was just like right there. Oh, come on, you're not done yet? Move on it, ladies. Oh, Red Prince was the one that's right there. Okay, I should have grabbed him then. I know that Iphon's right here. Alright, he joins my party. That's all we need. Yeah, Losi's around there somewhere. I don't. This is good enough to test. I gotta get rid of this stupid thing. Yes, dismiss. Get out of here. Stop following me. I never got that squirrel, man. It's so dumb. Clone sounds good. Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, both of them, yeah, appear. And no. Uh-oh. Now, which one? There's an easy way to tell, I suppose. One you could remove, and the other one you cannot. So, Oh, he's still following you around. Yikes. Okay. So that could be problematic, right? Oh, and he's level 2? What happened? Well, at least I got my original guys back, but dang. Let's see what happens now. Here, let's see if I could just get back to the original, like these guys. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. No. Not what I wanted. Oh, jeez. I'm really playing with fire over here. I can't seem to get back to... Alright. He's not active, but at least he's part of the... Maybe. Yeah, let's go. See what happens. There's no party management for this guy. But he still... Does it? Yeah, he still follows, which is weird. But I don't think you can control him. Well, I could adjust the code so it includes everybody in the members, or, you know, as a member. Because it clones everybody, so why not just have everybody change out? She does that twice for the two of you. Let's look at the code really quick. Yeah, that can get really bad. So it makes the clones just fine. It gets them all, gets them both in there. So maybe the character used item. I don't need the character GUID. And just have everybody, you know, swap back. So maybe this will work. Glad I have this on stream. Just in case I need to refer back to it. What I did exactly. Keep this saved. Attach to group, especially this part. All right. try that out. And there we go, back to just regular old windowed. I don't know why it does that. It just doesn't stick to the stuff. It drives me nuts. Just full screen it, man. Come on, yeah. I'm gonna continue because I know where I am. Actually, you know what? I think I might be in a better spot. I think it auto-saved like somewhere before Dallas or something, so that's good. Oh, right here. Yeah. Yeah. Just stick around for a while. It kind of drives me nuts. Like, what are you guys doing? I guess it's probably giving time. Who's this? Kana? Okay. I keep wanting to hit T, to teleport. Doesn't do anything. That'd be nice. Autosave here to test. Sure, let's go. Okay, homeboy's still good. All set. All right, both of them are here. Let's hopefully we got it. Nope. Ah, damn it. Oh, we got two iPhone bed messages. Ah. And somehow they're leveling up. How is that? Did I level up on accident or something? How do you level up? Huh. What's happening there? I don't think I could get rid of these because I need those there, I believe, to define the proc. Yeah.
Daddy? Hey, Mommy?
Yeah.
How do I start the dishwasher?
We could try a DB instead. I don't think I'll have to define these in a DB. Okay.
Could you please stay in with me? Oh. Okay.
You think that would work? I don't know.
What? Let me know if this is too cold. Okay. It's just right, Mom.
I think this will be my last one, and then I'm gonna go off. But hopefully, oh wow, it's been an hour. Meant for this to be like really quick. Hopefully, it's understood at least in the beginning how to set it up so it, you know, it all works. I just need to make sure that the hub has
I love you too, baby.
the right coding so multiplayer doesn't get all screwed up. So that part is fine. It's just the swap that needs work. Ah. Still not. See, he's part of it, but I don't know. Huh. This might be it too, because it might not add the OG characters to the player. That might be the reason actually, is because I have very specific everything.
I don't know where Abby is. Abby.
She's behind the violin, I bet. Oh, whoops. Why did I do that?
Hey, Mommy.
Okay, this will be my last try. Ah, come on.
What, Liam?
After my shower, I'll talk to you.
Okay.
Object flag set. That's going to be interesting. I should probably unpublish it in the meantime, just so this isn't happening to everybody. There's only like 2 subscribers, so it's not a big deal. All right, both are there. Source muted. Perfect. So they cloned right. Ah, it's still not. Dang. Still only adding. I mean, it's adding both of them, but it's not subtracting hyphen. So it's not subtracting him. So it's adding correctly, but not subtracting correctly.
I didn't know you put a candle in here. I mean, we used to have a little bit more exercise. Want to know the best part? Is the fact that even if you have to do work, he can still sit next to you. Yeah. Yeah.
Obsessed with fixing this. And it might completely crash on me. Oh. Killed everyone. So it removed everybody, but didn't add anybody. But it did work on the players. Everybody moved to their position wherever they needed to go. Oh, you know what? This could be, yeah, this is easy. This could be easy. Like that. We don't need these. We added everybody in the player category. OG player goes back to... Nope, the clones go back to this one. The OG players go back to XYZ. I have a feeling this is going to work. Yeah, I just need to add this, the player. It grabs all the players and then sets them as original characters. Because I think this was the issue. It was just setting the one that was using the stuff, but it's got to be all of them because it's a proc. I could try this being a database as well, seeing how that works. And that way I don't have to define this. Did I leave this as a database? Okay, yeah, I did. Okay. Ship it. It's good. But at least it did remove everybody but the one that was not tagged or in that database. So the original iPhone, he wasn't in the original player database. That's why he's stuck around, but he's just not. He's just hanging out, you know. He's removed from a party, but he's still connected somehow, you know. We'll see if this works. You know how it is. One step forward, like 18 steps back. Tons of stuff that happens. Sounds good. Sure. Okay. People are still being made. That's good. Okay, here it is. Boom. Nope, that sucked. This is the iPhone. This is the other one. Dang. I feel like I'm so close, and I just don't know what it is. Two of my fellas here. Well, I got both of these guys kind of put away, and he is removed. He's not following. So, you know, technically. See how it goes. Yeah, I mean, he's there, but he's just not doing anything. He's just going to be part of the party. That's great. And somehow we're level 2 again. I don't know how that's happening. All right, I'll have to look at it again another time, maybe tomorrow or something. Why not all of them? See, and this, I wish I had this problem, you know, in reverse for my other thing. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'll take a look at it another time. Thanks, guys, for watching this little tiny bit. But at least we know how to set up your stuff. Now the coding part is the only tough part. I'm going to pull these for now and then just re-upload when they're ready. More thorough testing is done.